Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to change pin lock in our Tecno phone guys. You want to change guys your pin lock in your Tecno phone, so guys you can change. And guys now let's see how to change pin lock in our Tecno phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So guys now let's see how to change pin lock. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to change our pin lock. Then guys scroll it. Guys click on guys your security setting. Then guys click on your screen lock setting and guys click enter your pin password guys. Again guys click on your pin password. Then guys you can see guys this notification. So guys then guys you can change your pin. So guys new pin guys, example for guys I will take this 2580, and guys again guys I am warning, like I am telling you guys, don't forget your pin and guys be careful here. So guys next confirm. So guys now let's see pin has changed or not. So as you can see guys this 2580 new pin. So I hope friends have understood how to change pin lock in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.